In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to build a Shopify store in Australia. So if you live in Australia, you're looking to build a Shopify shop for your business, I'm going to be showing you the best way to build your store. So first, let's go to pricing on the Shopify website. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So if we go to pricing, to start, the best plan will be the basics plan, but if you want a small business, you can go with the Shopify plan. That, keep in mind, that will be $105 every month, but the basics plan is the most popular one, which is $39 per month. So you get your first 3 months free when you're using the link in the description below. So I will leave the link in the description. So make sure when you click on the link, you will come to this page, and then put your email address right here, and then click on start free trial. And then when you click on start free trial, after you put your email address, so here you will have to choose which of the best describe you. You're just starting, so click right here on I'm just starting, and then just click on next. And then right here they ask you where you like to sell. If you want to sell an online store, create your own website, which is what you're here for. So the first option is the best one right here. Click on it, and then click next. And then they ask you a follow-on question is, what do you plan to sell first? So we're going to sell let me see, dropshipping products, source and shipping by third party. But if you want to sell a digital product, which is music, digital art, NFTs, you can choose this option. Or if you want to sell point on demand, I will create a future tutorial on point on demand. If you want to do point on demand, you can use this option, but obviously I think you came here for dropshipping, so we will choose that option right here. Or if you own your own fulfillment center, you can choose, if you ship your own product, you can choose the first option. But since we're going for dropshipping, I will go to the second option, and then I will click next. And then right here, we're doing it for Australia. I'm going to choose Australia right here. So here we go, Australia right here. So as you can see, Australia, and then it look like you're located in the US. Yes, I am. Are you sure you want to create Shopify store in Australia? So I chose Australia just for the purpose of this tutorial, but for you, you won't see this message since you already live in Australia. So this told you that setting up your store in the wrong country may lead to the following issue: tax and duty obligations, payment issue, and shipping issue. So since you live in Australia, you won't get any of those message. Again, I live in the US, that's why I received those message. And keep in mind, when you're building your store, make sure you check with your tax in your country, your tax requirement in your country. Make sure you check that, and then make sure you check for the best Shopify payment in Australia. If I go to Google, if I search this on Google right here, if I go to search, and then as you could see, there might be some article from the Shopify. There you go right here, Shopify payment for Australia, and then you can go right here to get all the information you need for the payment method in Australia. As you could see, here's the payment that accept in Australia, and then here's all the information that you need: passport, driver license, and then as you could see, there's everything you need to know right here. So when you finish reading those, and then you can go back to click next, and then they also told you the shipping issue: limited shipping available in Australia may result to higher cost or delay. So again, you can just do this and then search, and then you can go to the Shopify website to get more information. So anyways, let's continue building the website. So I'm going to click next, and then right here say create Shopify ID. I'm going to as you will see one last step before starting your free trial. I'm going to click continue with email. Make sure you click right here, continue with email, and then right here you can choose your Google ID. I'm going to choose my Google ID, and then it could take a couple seconds. Then it's building your store. As you will see, just wait a few seconds. And there you go. When you're done, just go to orders. As you can see, there's a lot of options, but the main focus is the customer. As you go to customer, everything customer related. So they tell you when you have added customer, you will able to update the details. And then for marketplace, for meta object, and analytics. Also there's reports, live views, and there's the main focus is online store. So when you click on online store, you'll see blog posts page, but I will be add a theme for our store first. So here is all the themes. For there's many options for the themes, as you can see, but for me the one I found that is work the best is the down, this the one that say down themes, so which is the most popular one. So if you want, you can visit to get more themes. And then there's another option, Facebook and Meta. You can connect Shopify to Facebook. Yes, you can connect Shopify to Facebook or Instagram, which is very, very cool. Also as well, this is your store details, your profile, where you get your phone number, email, and then the country your business is registered from. This will be Australia. And then if you go to tax and do this, they're showing you all the tax, all everything. And then make sure you check all those boxes for your country. And then click save. And then next, go to location. And then make sure you choose, it should be Australia. And then right here you can change your language. And then shipping, marketplace. I'm going to click on shipping, and then you can add your shipping location form, which will be Australia. And then down here is your refund policy. You can go on ChatGPT and then say, hey, ChatGPT, write me a refund policy for my AirBuds Shopify store. I live in Australia. And then create when you're done. If you scroll down, you can create your own template. And then as you can see, Shopify create a template for you, so you don't have to do all that. And then you can create a template for term of service as well by default, which is very cool. And then if you scroll down, you can create a contact info, and then make sure you choose physical address on your country, and then your name and stuff. And then when you're done, click save. And then the next step is if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Would be very appreciated. And then that's it. That's all you have to do for your Shopify store. See you on the next video. Peace.